Hi, Professor Franklin. Just wanted to send you this quick video. So if you wanted to build out your exam using just end of chapter questions, you would click Add Assignment as you would normally to build out any assessment. Jump into the question bank and then any of the chapters. So you would go into the end of chapter algorithmic, and I'll just click a couple and we'll say add as individual questions. If you wanted to add from multiple different chapters, so say this is for the final or for any of your exams that are multiple chapters, cover multiple chapters, you'll just go click right here, select a different question source, return to the table of contents, and so you want to go to chapter 5, and then you'll jump into chapter 5. I'll just click a couple here, add as individual questions, and then you would come to the bottom, continue. You do need to name this. I'm just going to do a generic. You'll put together your due dates. And then here is where the settings come into play. So we'll click exam. And then we'll click this expand advanced settings. And this is where you can really get pretty granular in the settings. So maybe you'll give the student 60 minutes. If you want to scramble the questions, that is a possibility. If you wanted to add a password protected, really you can kind of walk through each of these different settings. Obviously one attempt. Resources, we would give them no resources because we don't want them to have hints or access to the ebook. And then feedback, more than likely total scores. And then apply to this assignment. Sorry, my dog. And then review and assign. And then we'll assign. And then this will come to the bottom of your list of assignments. Please let me know if you have any questions.